You guys want to get better at reading structure in 2026 and truly understand where the market is expected to go based on volume. Understand market structure, understand momentum, and understand context so you're on the right side of the trade. This one simple tool with the volume profile is going to really open your eyes on how to do that. This is your moment to really understand where market volume is pushing price and pulling price rather than me just looking at this and trying to get reactive in the market. So this is the NASDAQ over here. And what we're going to do is use a very large volume profile, a composite profile that's 200 or 300 days, right? What I'm going to do is I'm just going to outline where the bellies are, where they start, and where they end. Those are going to be my guidelines. As prices move into bellies, what we're going to do is directionally stay on side of that move. So if we move into bellies down, 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 well, I just want to sell rallies into the start of that belly. If we change, right, when we make a move back into a higher belly, that's going to be the change in structure so that I know, okay, I'm going to be bearish until this happens. So if we take a look at how this shapes up today, right, we have this strong move on the overnight, and this is the general belly that we're interested in, right? This is where prices are on the overnight. This is where they're going to open. This is the general belly. Then we have another large one that could be split into two. So realistically, contextually speaking, as long as we maintain above this belly, well, yeah, there's potential to go to the upside. But the second we start moving back below, we want to make sure that we're on side trying to sell rallies. I don't want to be the hero trying to find where that reversal is until there's a move back into a belly higher, right? So if I take a look at how that sets up on the price action, right, we move through that initial belly. What are we doing? We're selling rallies because that is where structure is expected to go. We move into new bellies to the downside. What are we doing? You have a higher probability of selling rallies than trying to pick out lows. Yeah, there could be fades to the upside, but if I want to really, really have confidence that I'm directionally sound in the upside or the downside, I need to make sure that price is following along with volume. And if volume's telling me we're accepting into lower band areas, well, we need to be sellers on to days like today so we don't get caught up trying to find reversals. So if you want to learn more about this and full on auction market theory, we have a lot of videos on YouTube, but you can check out community.tradeproacademy.com for all that info.